We're going to do a multiplication that involves fraction notation. We're going to multiply 4/3 and 24. Now we can think of 24 as 24 over 1. We'll multiply numerators and we'll multiply denominators. That means that the product would be 4 times 24 over 3 times 1, or just over 3. And we want to simplify this fraction if we can. We see that 24 has a factor of 3, and there's a factor of 3 in the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator as 4 times 3 times 8. And I'm going to write the denominator now as 3 times 1. There's a factor of 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. So I can write this as 3 over 3 times 4 times 8 over 1. 3 over 3 is equal to 1, so this product is equal to 4 times 8 over 1, which is 32 over 1, or just 32.